Welcome back to AI Ally, the podcast where we decode the future of work. I'm Alex.
And I'm Jordan. Today, we're diving into a topic that's reshaping how organizations manage content and leverage AI, SharePoint Advanced Management, and its critical role in enabling Microsoft Copilot.
That's right. As Copilot becomes more embedded in Microsoft 365, the quality of its responses depends heavily on the data it can access. And that's where SharePoint Advanced Management, or SAM, comes in.
So let's start with the basics. SharePoint Advanced Management is a premium add-on for Microsoft 365 that gives admins powerful tools to govern content. Think lifecycle management, access control, and usage analytics.
Exactly. It's not just about locking things down, it's about making sure the right people have access to the right content, and that outdated or irrelevant data doesn't clutter the system. That's crucial when Copilot is pulling from SharePoint to generate answers or documents.
Here's the kicker. Copilot doesn't know what's important unless we tell it. If your SharePoint environment is full of duplicate files, outdated sites, or overly broad permissions, Copilot might surface the wrong content.
Right. Microsoft actually recommends 3 key governance pillars to prepare for Copilot. First, manage content sprawl. Third, control content lifecycle.
And SAM helps with all 3. For example, you can enforce site ownership, monitor inactive sites, and even restrict sharing links to specific people instead of everyone except external users.
Let's talk practical. Say your marketing team is using Copilot to draft campaign briefs. If their SharePoint site is well managed, Copilot can pull from the latest brand guidelines, campaign data, and approved assets.
But if that site has outdated files or loose permissions, Copilot might pull in the wrong version. Or worse, expose sensitive content to the wrong users.
That's why SAM isn't just an IT tool, it's a business enabler. It ensures Copilot delivers accurate, secure, and contextually relevant results.
How do you get started? First, make sure your organization has the SharePoint Advanced Management license. Then, use the Microsoft 365 assessment tool to identify governance gaps.
And don't forget training. Microsoft offers great resources like the Copilot Chat User Training Deck and the M365 Copilot in-app demo guide to help teams understand how to use Copilot effectively.
To wrap it up, Copilot is only as good as the data it can access. SharePoint Advanced Management ensures that data is clean, secure, and well-governed.
And that means better answers, smarter automation, and more trust in AI. Thanks for tuning in to AI Ally. Don't forget to subscribe and share.